Hello students, welcome to the class on entrepreneurship management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am assistant professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. From the above previous presentations, you now have an idea about entrepreneurship and how entrepreneurship and economics are related to one another. Therefore, from the above discussion, it can be concluded that there is a close interconnection between the different concepts of entrepreneurship and economics. Different economists have interpreted entrepreneurship according to their own ways, which highlight the fact that entrepreneurs are wealth creators who contribute significantly towards the upliftment of an economy. Therefore, it can be rightly said that entrepreneurship is a process which is continuous and that are taken by people for the upliftment of the society in general and the towards greater economic development of the country. Thank you very much.